All right, cruise ducks. What are they? And what is the point? Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, so we are here to talk about cruise ducks. What are cruise ducks? Where do you hide cruise ducks? And what is the point of cruise ducks? So we're going to start off with what are cruise ducks? So cruise ducks are simply small little ducks. You can either get them in plain ducks, or in case of this one, it's a Disney duck, which we would use, say, on a Disney cruise. But you can get Halloween ducks, Christmas ducks, all different kinds of ducks. You can go to Walmart, Amazon, Target. You can get them in the dollar store. They're not real expensive. You can buy them just about anywhere. Just simply Google cruise ducks, and I promise you a whole list of where to buy cruise ducks will come right on up. So they are super easy to get a hold of. So the whole point of the cruise duck game is just purely for fun, for entertainment, and to make people smile. It's kind of like a little game of hide and seek. So the object is, let's say I would buy some cruise ducks, and then you take the little cruise duck and you put a tag on it. And the tag will say, like your Facebook group or your YouTube channel, and it's going to have a tagline on it. Now, the most common tagline, and the one that kind of started the cruise duck phenomenon, is keep or hide, you decide. So as you're going around the cruise ship, you find yourself a cruise duck. Now, you can either take the cruise duck and keep it, take it home with you, use it as a little souvenir, or you can hide it somewhere else on the ship for another passenger to find. Now, usually on the tag there, it'll lead you to, let's say, a Facebook group where you would take a picture of you and the cruise duck together. You would go post it on the Facebook group. And like I said, it's purely for fun, doesn't cost anything to do. You don't even have to participate if you want to. You don't even have to take the picture and post it if you don't want to. You can simply find the duck and take the duck with you, or you, like I said, you re-hide the duck for the next person to find. Now, this may sound like a children's game. Well, this is something just little kids would want to play, and boy, you would be way wrong about that. There are several social media groups out there that are purely dedicated to cruise ducks, and some of these groups have 25,000 members or more, all about cruise ducks. So if you want to play the game, let's say you want to be the person that leaves the cruise ducks, and you don't even have to put the tags on them if you're not interested in someone coming to your page and leaving a picture just for fun. If you just want to hide cruise ducks, the object is you hide them in public areas around the ship. Now, not in the swimming pools, definitely not in any of the retail shops. And you don't want to put them too close to the edge of the ship, like near railings. You don't want the wind to blow the ducks into the ocean, because, of course, we don't throw anything over the sides of cruise ships, and we definitely don't want to do any kind of polluting into the water. So put them someplace in the ship where they'll be safe, and, they won't blow away. Don't put them in a retail shop where someone will mistakenly think someone's stealing something or taking something. So you put them in public areas around the ship. Now, this game has become so popular, particularly on Carnival Cruise Lines, that even the crew aboard the ship knows, hey, look, these ducks are probably going to be on board. If you see one, if you find one, even the crew just leaves them alone. They don't pick them up. They don't throw them away, because they know it's a game that cruisers play. So on your next cruise, take a look around. See if you find any cruise ducks on board a ship. If they have a little tag, like I said, read the little tag just for fun. If it tells you to take a picture with the duck, go to that Facebook group and post that picture. Even if you don't have internet on the ship, you can still take the picture and post it later if you want to, once you get back home. And then, like I said, keep or hide, you decide. And then either keep that duck or hide that duck somewhere else. It is just a fun little game that people like to play. I consider it kind of in the same category as, decorating your cruise door with all kinds of magnets just for fun, just to bring that extra little bit to the cruise. You can leave gifts on some of the doors. There are a bunch of fun cruise games out there that passengers participate in. And Cruise Ducks is just one of those games. It's fun to do. Like I said, I like to take them on board the ship. I like to hide them around on our tag. It'll have High Seas Cruising on there. And we definitely encourage you to take that picture and post it on our Facebook group just so we can see all of the adventures that these little ducks go on. All right, I hope this did help explain what Cruise Ducks are. If you have any other questions or enjoy playing this game, then definitely leave that in the comments below, because I'd like to know how many people enjoy Cruise Ducks or now are going to be looking for Cruise Ducks when you weren't looking for them before. Hope you did enjoy today's video. If you did, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.